So here's how to export video from Pictory AI. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and then search Pictory.ai. Go to website and log into your account. Create a video using stock footage and text. You can create both landscape and portrait videos for shorts, reels, etc. I created a short video, and now I am going to download this video. On the top right corner, go to Download, then click Video. Now video is preparing for download. You can cancel download from here. Step 1 is processing scenes and video. Click here to run in background. Step 2 is generating scenes and video. Now video is ready and the video is saved under My Projects. It means you can edit and check your edited video from My Projects in Pictory AI. You can copy link, export audio, export text, and here's the option that you are looking for. Click download. Now your video is downloading and you can check from this icon. Or press Ctrl+J to check your downloads. Click Show in Folder and it will show your video's location in your device. This is how you can export video from Pictory AI.